Hello dear students, in today's lecture we will discuss the numerical solution of ordinary differential equation by Euler's method. So this is the lecture third of numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Again we explain first what is ordinary differential equation. So here is ordinary differential equation. An ordinary differential equation is a differential equation which involves only one independent variable. Dear students, an ordinary differential equation is an equation which involves only one independent variable. Here we shall consider the numerical solution of the differential equation of the first order of the type dy by dx equal to f of xy with initial condition y equal to y0 at x equal to x0, that is dy by dx equal to f of xy, and where y of x0 equal to y0. So this is the format of ordinary differential equation which involves the numerical solution in the form of ordinary differential equation, that is dy by dx equal to f of xy with the initial condition y equal to y0 and x equal to x0. Now we have already explained there are so many methods to solve differential equation. These are the methods. The first one is Picard's method, Taylor series method, Euler's method, Euler's modified method, etc. So in today's lecture we will explain the third method, that is Euler's method. First we explain the working rule of Euler's method. In step 1, the given equation of the form y dash equal to dy by dx with initial condition x equal to x0, y equal to y0. In the step 2, first we find h equal to x minus x0 divided by n, where n is the number of steps in the given range of intervals. It's depend upon the question, what is the value of n, how many steps you divide, that is known as n. In step 3, the first approximation of the point x0, y0 is given by the formula y minus y0 equal to dy by dx at the point x minus x0 of x minus x0. That is y minus y0 and dy by dx at the point x0, y0 is f of x0, y0 and x minus x0 as it is, because dy by dx at the point x0, y0 is known as the function of the form f of x0, y0. Then y can be written as y0 plus x minus x0 of x f of x0, y0. So at the point x1 it becomes y1 equal to y0 plus h of fx0, y0, where h equal to x minus x0 divided by n. So this is the first approximation formula, y1 equal to y0 plus h of f of x0, y0. Again I repeat, the first approximation formula is y1 equal to y0 plus h of fx0, y0. Similarly, the second approximation formula is y2 equal to y1 plus h of fx1, y1. And the third approximation formula is y3 equal to y2 plus h of fx2, y2, and so on. Let us consider a problem. The problem is solve by Euler's method the following differential equation for x equal to 0.1 correct to 4 decimal places, dy by dx equal to y minus x divided by y plus x. This is the function form y minus x divided by y plus x with the initial condition y of 0 equal to 1, means x0 equal to 0 and y0 equal to 1. The value is 1. Solution. Given that dy by dx equal to y minus x divided by y plus x. So it becomes the function of the form that implies f of xy equal to y minus x divided by y plus x, and x0 equal to 0, y0 equal to 1. Here is given y of 0 equal to 1 means x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. Here the range of the interval is 0 to 0.1 because the value of x is given 0.1. So 0 to 0.1 is divided into the 5 steps. Therefore, h equal to x minus x0 divided by n. The formula of h is x minus x0 divided by n. So here the value of x is 0.1 minus 0, and we should divide into the 5 steps. That means n equal to 5. It becomes 0.02. Therefore, the first approximation formula at x1 equal to 0.02, because the range between 0 to 0.1, the first value is 0.02. So y1 formula of first approximation of Euler's method is y1 equal to y0 plus h of fx0 y0. So y0 is 1, value of h is 0.02, f of x0 y0 becomes y0 minus x0 divided by y0 plus x0. On substituting the value of y0 and x0, we get the first approximation value is 1.02. So this is the first approximation result of Euler's method. Now the second approximation result, the second interval of x is 0.04, and the formula of second approximation of Euler's method is y2 equal to y1 plus h of fx1 y1. So y1 equal to 1.02, value of h is 0.02, and f of x1 y1 becomes y1 minus x1 divided by y1 plus x1. On substituting the value of y1 x1, it becomes y2 equal to 1.0392. So this is the second approximation result of Euler's. Now the third approximation, the third interval x3 equal to 0.06, and the third approximation value of Euler's method is y3 equal to y2 plus h of fx2 y2, and the value is 1.0392 plus value of h is here, and x2 y2 minus x2 is this one. On substituting the value and simplification, we get y3 equal to 1.0577. So this is the third approximation result of Euler's method. Now the fourth approximation value, that means the fourth interval, is 0.08, and the formula of fourth approximation is y3 plus h of fx3 y3. On substituting the value, we get the value of y4 is 1.0756, and the last approximation value is that is the x5 equal to 0.01, and the fifth approximation formula is y5 equal to y4 plus h of fx4 y4. On substituting the value, we get the fifth approximation value is 1 plus 1.0928. Hence, y equal to 1.0928 at x equal to 0.1. So this is the result of Euler's method of the problem.